Okay, so for this skill, I made my A value 5, B value 12, C 13, H is 2, and K is 4. So the first thing that I did is I plugged in those values into the provided equation. And then after multiplying and combining like terms, that equation simplified to be 169x squared minus 678x plus 25y squared plus 200y plus 1076 is equal to 4,225. And then after that, I took 169 out of my x terms and 25 out of my y terms, and then proceeded to complete the square for both the x and the y terms. Next, I condensed the x and the y terms and subtracted 1076 from both sides. This gave me my equation to be 169 parentheses x minus 2 parentheses squared plus 25 parentheses y plus 4 parentheses squared is equal to 4,225. After that, I divided both sides by 4,225 in order to get the right side to equal to 1, and it also is what gave me my final equation for this ellipse. My final equation was x minus 2 squared divided by 25 plus x plus 4 squared divided by 169 is equal to 1. Next, I found the center of my ellipse to be at 2, negative 4, because those are the values that you can plug in for x and y to get the numerators equal 0. Next, I knew that my foci were going to be at 2, negative 16, and 2, 8. I knew that the x values were going to be the same as the center of the ellipse because it has a vertical major axis. And then in order to get my y values, I added and subtracted 12 from the y values to the center because the foci are 12 away from the center. Then I went on to find the vertices for my ellipse to be at 2, negative 17, and 2, 9. The x values were once again the same as the center because the ellipse is vertical. I got my y values because based on the equation, I knew that my vertices were 13 away from my center, so I just added or subtracted 13 from negative 4 to get my y values. Finally, I found my co-vertices to be at 7, negative 4, and negative 3, negative 4. I knew that the y values are going to be the same as my center since the ellipse is vertical. I found the x values because based on the equation, I knew that the distance from the center to the co-vertices was 5, so I added and subtracted 5 from 2 to get my x values.